Hello everybody, so today I was getting an error, I was getting this error. So var cats pacman pkg odls, this package is got updated. So how to solve is to just remove this repository. So what you can do is sudo remove all this, or you can do sudo pacman -cc. After doing that, you can just update it. So here we have the synchronization and the update. Now we can do mac update. So here I choose the device demo unit. So here also I was getting an error when I was trying to update these packages. So let me just show you. I think I might be a little bit down. So it has all the packages, it has downloaded it. So let's go now. So it's gonna be below. Let me just do it first. So if I just scroll like this, you can see the packages. So here I thought there needs to be a synchronization. So if you do sudo pacman mirror -f, so it will force all the mirror sites, right? It will update it on etc pacman d mirror list. So after that, if I do pacman update, right? So here I have done is default one. So let's get a little bit of down. So let me just scroll this first. So here we are. So I was getting an error over here. So here it was showing there was the conflicted packages, and your remove size is 7.7 MB. So if we just go inside this folder, so etc pacman dg nupz. So here we have this. So we can do pacman key initialized. So here I am being a root user, then I use this command, right? Sudo pacman key initialize. Then we have the another command that would be sudo pacman key populate. So after doing that, it'll create the necessary file and the keyring. So now if we just update it, right, if we just do this, then your all error regarding key pair is gone. So if we just come down right here, so it has updated it everything. Now it can update it. So if I just do pacman -sy, so if I come back and do this and do man, so it's all up to date. So thank you guys.